Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix a startup repair SrtTrail.txt error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This BSOD message comes while starting up the computer and sometime in between while using your operating system. So now you have to go to the advanced option. So if you are already on a BSOD screen with an advanced option, then you can click on it. But if not, then you have to start your computer 3 to 4 times and shut it down in between to bring this advanced option. So what you can do on your laptop, on your PC, start up the computer, and as soon as it comes up, press and hold the power button and just keep in holding until it shut down again. You have to repeat this process for 3 to 4 times until you get the blue screen with advanced option. And now once you come to this page that says choose an option, so in the solution first, we will try to restore our PC. That is a simple fix. So now here click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, and then here you will find system restore. So click on it. And if there is any restore point created, it will give you the restore point information. And then you can choose that option with the date, that which date you want to store to. So let's say that if you have created a restore point last month and your PC was working absolutely fine, then you can choose that date and click on next. Okay. And if not, then you can just try the second solution where you have to again click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option and then choose command prompt. The black window will be coming up. Here we have to try a few commands. So the first one will be bootrec.exe space / rebuildbcd. Hit enter. And this will be scanning all this for Windows installation. And it says successfully scan Windows installation. So the next command will be bootrec.exe space / fixmbr. Hit enter. And the third one will be bootrec.exe space / fixboot. Hit enter again. Now if you get the same message, access is denied, then no problem, you can proceed with the next command. Now the next command will be chkdsk space / r, and then you have to type the drive letter on which your operating system is installed. So let's say in my end, my operating system is in C drive, so I will type C and then colon. So if you have installed, now most of the time it's installed in the C drive only. But exceptionally, if you have installed on D drive, then you have to type D instead of C. Once done, hit enter. And this will be scanning all the file. This may take some time, like about 4 to 5 minutes. So wait until this process has been completed. So once the command is completed, type exit and then click on continue again and see that if the problem has been fixed. And still if you have the issues, then again you have to come to this page, come to this option and then click on troubleshoot. Then click on reset this PC. And then you can click on keep my file. And in case if you do not have any important file, then you can also go with remove everything. So click on keep my files. And then it will take you to this step. Then you have to go with local reinstall. And after that, it will say that getting things ready. So just follow the instruction. This will reset the PC. And I'm very sure that after resetting the PC, the problem will be surely fixed. So that's all guys, these are the best 3 solutions that you can apply to fix this BSOD problem on your computer. And if this worked for you, please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and still if you have issues, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try to find out another solution for you. Till then, take care, bye-bye.